Hello and welcome back to AM Tutors. Today's lesson at AM Tutors will focus on subtraction, finding part of a whole. This is typically a Year 1 topic.
Grab a pen and paper to work out your answers. When you see the pause button, hit pause to answer the question. Count your correct answers and comment your score below.
Here are some of the keywords for today's lesson. Total, the whole number of things. Part, a piece of the whole number. Taken, the number that is removed. Remaining, what is still there. Subtract, take away one number from another. Difference, the number you get after taking away. For our starter questions, let's try these. Let's go through the answers. 5 take away 2 equals 3. 8 take away 3 equals 5. 4 take away 1 equals 3. 7 take away 4 equals 3. 10 take away 6 equals 4. Now for the main part of the lesson. We're going to have 4 different questions. Keep up and let's see how many points you get. There are 8 flowers. 3 of them are yellow. How many of the flowers are not yellow? The answer is 8 take away 3 equals 5. 5 of the flowers are not yellow. There are 12 pencils. 4 of the pencils are broken. How many of the pencils are not broken? The answer is 12 take away 4 equals 8. 8 of the pencils are not broken. There are 11 books on the shelf. 3 of them fall onto the floor. How many books are still left on the shelf? The answer is 11 take away 3 equals 8. There are 8 books still on the shelf. If there are 14 ducks in a pond and 7 swim away, how many ducks are left in that pond? The answer is 7. 7 ducks are left in the pond. Now if you did manage to achieve 4 marks, then well done, and keep watching because the super challenge is coming up next. Samantha has 12 crayons. 3 of the crayons are green, 5 of the crayons are blue, and the rest are all pink. How many of her crayons are pink? The answer is 12 take away 3 take away 5 equals 4. The answer is 4.
That's it for today's lesson. Check out our other lessons and see what score you get. See you next time.
Subtraction.